Hiya! Hoo-wah-ha! What's up, my beautiful patriots? I just decided to do something a little bit different and a little more entertaining. Not really a review or anything. It's just me having a little bit of fun with my BRG 9 Elite by Buffalo Cartridge Company. It is a Springfield XD clone-ish. This is an actual Springfield XD magazine. I actually own two of these. One issue that I've been having is the magazines are not locking back on empty. I believe this is the first one that I bought. The second one, I think those magazines are working fine as far as locking back, but the first one I haven't really been able to get the magazines to lock back. I think it's just the springs are a little bit weak. Should probably take the mag apart and stretch the spring out, but we're just gonna have a little bit of fun out here, shoot a little bit more. Hey-ya! What you looking at, punk? Like I said, not a serious video, just having fun. Looks like the orange dot on the front sight keeps popping out a little bit, but again, not a serious video, just me having fun. I hope you enjoyed it. It's going to be a short one, so thank you for watching. God bless. Hit that like and subscribe button, and I'll see you on the next one.